Now in this video we are going to learn about the basic command, that is NL command. Okay, so basically this is a very simple command, okay, but sometimes it is useful for our Linux administrators in some cases. Okay, so we will see the one use case, and but before that we will create one file. Let me give the name as names.txt. I will write some names here: Ayush and Avinash and Harry, and I will write Ron. And again, let's take some another name, that is Amy. Okay, I will use Control D to save, and now I will just read this file names.txt. But in this case, you can see like there is no numbering here. Okay, but sometimes we need to just get numbering. Like if you suppose this is a code, if there is a code file and you need some numbering in that, then we use this NL command to get the numbers. So here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 is listed here. Okay, so suppose if I create another file, that is index.html, I write like body, and I will write this h1 hello world, and I will just close the body. Control D to save. I will just read the file cat index.html, and you can see this we are able to read. But now I want the line number of this file, like of this code. Sometimes what happens, like we get some kind of error in a particular line of code. So in this case it is useful to like debug that error. I will use this NL, and I will just provide the name of the file. What was it? Index.html. And here you can see there 1 2 3 line number. Okay, so I hope you got the what can be the use of this NL command. But yeah, it's very simple. So that's all for today's video, guys, and we will meet you in the next video with some amazing commands. So that's all for today's video, and we'll meet you next one. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.